Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to see how we can calculate the expiry dates, maturity dates or any dates based on the number of months that has been given to us. So for this purpose we can use the EDATE function in Excel. The Excel EDATE function returns a date on the same day of the month in the past or the future. You can use this EDATE to calculate expiration date, maturity date or any other due dates. And if you will use a positive value for the month as an argument in this function, then you will get a date in the future. And if you use a negative value as an argument in this function, then you will get the dates in the past. So let's talk about the purpose of this EDATE function, why this EDATE function is important. So the purpose of this EDATE function is to shift the date value with the n number of months in future or the past based on your requirement. So if you have provided a positive value as an argument, then it will give you the future dates, and if you had given a negative value as an argument, then it will give you the dates in the past, and it will always return a new date as an Excel serial number. And this function has only two arguments, the start date and the number of month. So let's go and see how we can use this EDATE function in Excel. So I have an example here. It says that return a date that is n month after the start date based on the given months below. So you have a certain number of projects here and the start date, and the project is supposed to run for 42 months. So this project 2 is supposed to run for 76 months. Now you want to know that on which specific date this project will end. In order to do that, what you need to do is that you need to simply use this EDATE function. You will put equal to EDATE, and for this EDATE function Excel will ask you two arguments. First the start date and the second argument is the month. So I'll put my start date as a first argument, which is my start date, and the number of month, which is in cell C6. So if I close this bracket and press enter, you will get a new date as an Excel serial number. And now what you need to do is that you need to convert this Excel serial number as a date format. So what I'll simply do is that I'll click on this cell, I'll go to home, and then I will change the format as short date. Now after this 23 month, with this start date, you can get the end date, on which date this project was supposed to be end. So let's drag this formula, and now if you'll see, for all of these projects I can get the end date here based on the number of months that has been given here. So let's summarize that why this EDATE function is required in Excel. So this EDATE function can add or subtract the whole month from a date, and you can use this EDATE to calculate the expiration date, contract dates, due dates, or something like anniversary date, retirement date, etc., as well as the other dates in future or in past. So this EDATE will return a serial number corresponding to the date, and to display the result as a date you will have to apply a number format based on your choice. So generally we basically apply the short date format or the long date format based on our requirement. So this is how you can use this EDATE function in Excel to shift the date with n months either in future or past.